असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। हे भगवान, मुझे असत्य से सत्य की ओर ले जाइए, अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर ले जाइए, मृत्यु से अमरत्व की ओर ले जाइए।
Every year, we celebrate the birth anniversary of Gandhiji on 2nd October and dwell on the principles and ideologies set by him that helped our fellow countrymen to drive the British force out of India. But how often have we thought about what made Gandhi one of the greatest visionaries of his time? What were the qualities that made him who he is now known to be? He too was a common man fighting the system that was known to discriminate against his kind. However, this did not limit him to commonality. It gave him a reason to think bigger. I believe that it was these little, yet powerful personality traits that make him the standard bearer. Whether it was the huge number of people he met daily or the condescending government he had to deal with, his patience helped him through it. He integrated instances and beliefs that any common man would relate to. His concepts like non-violence, satyagraha, brahmacharya, and the concepts related to truth in God can give psychological strength and mental resilience to anyone trying to cope with the demands of life. India was so divided at the time of the freedom struggle, and Gandhi played one of the most important roles in uniting the weaker sections of the society, making sure that they had someone looking out for them. His was the only approach to people that was simple, and he came up with the most empathetic ideologies that even an uneducated person could understand and respond to. I understand that in today's consumerist society, there are too many materialistic distractions steering us away from simplicity. But we should not let materialism shape who we are. Gandhiji once said, and I quote, "I am painfully conscious of my imperfections, and therein lies all the strength I possess, because it is a rare thing for man to know his own limitations." Over the last 2 years, all of us have had the time to do a lot of introspection, rumination, and retrospection that has made us much more self-aware. We should use this awareness to our advantage and work on flaws to be the best version of ourselves. You are a product of your thoughts. Your first thought is always what you're conditioned to believe, but the second thought is always what you're consciously thinking. That is what sets you apart from the others. So make that second thought count. The power of Gandhi's words still inspires us to change the world by changing ourselves. The best way to make our lives count is to contribute to the progress of the society and promote harmonious coexistence. To quote Gandhiji, "Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony." I unquote. Thank you.
It is good that prevails in the midst of evil. It is light that prevails in the midst of darkness. And it is positivity that prevails in the midst of negativity. We have gathered here today to honor the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, whose life and soul continues to animate humanity. A man who has rightfully ascended to be synonymous with non-violence and freedom, whose sacrifices have rightfully earned him the title of Father of our Nation, whose heart has touched millions of people beyond the borders, is more than an individual. He is a movement. that still exists in the hearts of people all over the world. His contribution to this nation and his impact on modern history is insurmountable. Let us look back at the contributions that this one man has made to drive the spirit of independence through the heart of our nation. Gandhiji advocated the ideals of truth, non-violence, sarvodaya, and satyagraha, and their significance constitute the four pillars of the Gandhian philosophy to achieve the ultimate truth of self-realization. I believe that the notion of independence is not comprehensively understood by the present-day society. Rather than a privilege or a natural right, independence and freedom are responsibilities which we are entrusted to uphold. Gandhiji envisioned not only a free society, but a productive and a responsible society. In a world that is moving through the phases of war, marred by violence and terrorism, there is significant requirement of Gandhian ideals of non-violence more and more today than the past days. Gandhiji's views about sanitation, decentralization of power, women empowerment, and basic education for all hold good and is followed in large numbers. In the words of our former president, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, in a world vexed with intolerance and extremism, the teachings of Gandhiji is the only solution. Today, as we go about our lives, let us remember and honor his philosophy by treating people with respect and equality, without any prejudices, and not to conform to violence even at our worst. Let us lead a life in peace by following the path of non-violence. Jai Hind.
Second of October is a date that comes every year. And it's a very good date on which to introspect, to reflect, and to see how we have been for the entire year. It is a date on which Mahatma K. Gandhi was born. It is also a date which testifies to the power of one. It tells us about the wonderful things that the individual can do, provided they have the courage of their convictions and they are on the path of righteousness. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. The Mahatma said, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Good morning, warm greetings. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my very best wishes go out to you on the auspicious occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. On behalf of the Lawrence School Sana Society, our Board of Governors, staff and students, I extend my best wishes to all our distinguished community, parents and old Snarians. Students, I trust that this wonderful new day is one that has dawned, full of possibilities, and it finds you the very best that you can be. Today, I wish to remember the Mahatma and to speak about the eternal that is always a part of our ephemeral lives. Today, I want to talk about what is really important in our lives. I want to talk about character, I want to talk about happiness, and I want to talk about integrity. And for this, what better day can we possibly have than the birth anniversary of the father of our nation? Education means the all-round drawing out of the best in child and man, body, mind, and spirit. Today, let us take a pledge to draw out the very best in each of us. Let us strive to be shining exemplars, role models who will light the path of the coming generations. And for this to become a possibility, character must form the very foundation of good education. Dear students, character is not something that comes from out of the blue. Character is something that is in each one of us, and every one of us has something that we must contribute to the community and the society we live in. Character is something we must build every moment of each day, and it's linked to integrity. Character and integrity are akin to life itself, and these are bedrocks that must be made into something that will serve each of us well for the rest of our lives. Please bear in mind that the Mahatma himself was as human as you and I. He was made of flesh and blood, yet he rose to the stature of Mahatma by virtue of his deeds, by the decisions that he took, and by the very courage of his convictions. The fact that we are an independent, free nation today tells us about how effective his life was. Always take the hard right over the far easier wrong, every single time. The moment what we say, what we think, and our actions are in alignment, we become happy individuals. And yes, every student and every member of our community has the right to lead a life that is fulfilling and happy. We must choose to be happy. Today, let us lead a life that is built on the bedrock of good deeds, values, character, and integrity. And I'm sure it will lead to happiness in the community. Dear students, please be careful of your thoughts. Thoughts become words. Please be careful of your words. Our words lead to actions, and it is our very actions that determine our character. So, behavior is important, good attitudes are important, and each of you here must be the very best that you can be. Mahatma Gandhi said, you must be the change you wish to see in the world. I would implore and advocate that each one of us must be the change that we wish to see in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Greetings to one and all. On behalf of the entire school, we welcome you to the annual prize giving 2020-21. The certificates will be handed over to the prize winners at the next opportune moment, and the cash prize amount has been credited to the awardee's bank account. To begin with, we have prizes on the essay If I Were Gandhi. This essay writing competition was organized by the Faculty of English for the students of classes 11th and 12th.
Mr. Naveen Chawla, ex-Chief Election Commissioner of India and also an Osanarian of 1961 batch, had instituted and sponsored the Gandhi Prize in order to promote his philosophy amongst our youth. The result for this competition for 2020-21 is as follows. First position goes to Manik Ahluwalia of Shoalik House. Second position goes to Krishna Roy of Vindhya House. Third position goes to Mrigna Goyal of Shoalik House. The Yashpal Chaudhary Gold Medal 2020-21 and late Captain Zabar Singh Cash Award of Rs 15,000 for standing first in 12th board examination goes to Seerat Sandhu of Nilgiri House. Nellie Lowell OS Gold Medal and Cash Award of Rs 10,000 for standing first in Science Stream in 12th board examination goes to Seerat Sandhu of Nilgiri House. Shri Shadi Ram Gold Medal and a Cash Award of Rs 10,000 for standing first in Commerce Stream in 12th board examination goes to Isha Malhotra of Shoalik House and Avanti Agarwal of Nilgiri House. Srimati Bhagwanti Devi Gold Medal and a Cash Award of Rs 10,000 for standing first in Commerce Stream. In Humanities Stream in 12th board examination goes to Ananya Kohli of Himalaya House. Carlyle Cup for Academic Progress goes to Adil Pratap Singh Goman of Nilgiri House. The Catherine Longman Public Speaking Trophy goes to Nilgiri House. Chief of the Year Staff Trophy for Academic Excellence goes to Nilgiri House. The Mahindra Search for Talent Scholarship is awarded to the students for standing first in all the 4 sections of their respective classes. All of them receive an amount of Rs 10,000 each. The recipients of Mahindra Search for Talent Scholarship for the year 2020 are as follows. Shriyan Khemka of Nilgiri House from class 7th. Arsh Sharma of Vindhya House from class 8th. Sukhmeher Singh Jakar of Nilgiri House from class 9th. Kirti Jindal of Himalaya House from class 10th. Arshangat Singh of Himalaya House from class 11th. And Isha Malhotra of Shoalik House from class 12th. Students securing the highest percent marks in the individual subjects in CBSE class 12 board examinations receive a cash award of Rs 5,000 each for every subject. To receive this award, a child needs to secure a maximum of 90% of marks in his or her board examination. The recipients of Class 12 subject cash awards of Rs 5,000 are as follows. For English, Isha Malhotra of Shivalik House. For History, Ananya Kohli of Himalaya House. For Political Science, Irmin Tawana of Himalaya House. For Geography, Pavit Sidhu of Shivalik House. For Economics, Ananya Kohli of Himalaya House. For Psychology, Yakshita Bansal of Shivalik House. For Business Studies, Isha Malhotra of Shivalik House. For Accountancy, Isha Malhotra of Shivalik House. For Physics, Sirat Sandhu of Nilgiri House. For Chemistry, Sirat Sandhu of Nilgiri House. For Biology, Yakshita Bansal of Shivalik House. For Mathematics, Priyam Gupta of Vindhya House. For Computer Science, Priyam Gupta of Vindhya House. For Informatics Practices, Riya Bedi of Shivalik House. For Painting, Kripang Kanwar Kashyap of Himalaya House. For Sculpture, Vedant Mehra of Himalaya House. For Physical Education, Sirat Sandhu of Nilgiri House. And for Entrepreneurship, Devansh Gupta of Vindhya House.
For Form prizes are awarded to the students securing the top two positions in overall aggregate marks in any section over a complete academic year.
Vindhya House.
Firm prizes for the academic year 2020 are as follows. Lower 3A, first prize goes to Siraj Singh Dua of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Advait Singh of Himalaya House. Lower 3B, first prize goes to Srishti Priya of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Abhya Atal of Shivalik House. Lower 3C, first prize goes to Ayan Gautam of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Rayan Girdar of Nilgiri House. Upper 3A, first prize goes to Agrim Sethi of Vindhya House. Second prize goes to Shradhan Singh of Nilgiri House. Upper 3B, first prize goes to Arjun Chopra of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Yuvraj Chopra of Shivalik House. Upper 3C, first prize goes to Bikramjit Singh Randhawa of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Divya Ranjan of Vindhya House. Lower 4A, first prize goes to Shriyan Khemka of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Sara Mehta of Nilgiri House. Lower 4B, first prize goes to Viraj Gupta of Vindhya House. Second prize goes to Kirat Sandhu of Nilgiri House. Lower 4C, first prize goes to Chakshu Bhardwaj of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Rishika Vaishnavi of Nilgiri House. Lower 4D, first prize goes to Aradhya Narula of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Riya Bura of Himalaya House. Upper 4A, first prize goes to Sirat Dua of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Shubhika Sood of Himalaya House. Upper 4B, first prize goes to Ash Sharma of Vindhya House. Second prize goes to Arnav Bansal of Shivalik House. Upper 4C, first prize goes to Rahil Dhawan of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Basvi Jain of Vindhya House. Upper 4D, first prize goes to Hunardeep Singh Sran of Himalaya House. Second prize goes to Siddhak Sanghera of Nilgiri House. Lower 5A. First prize goes to Jai Mukund Bhan of Himalaya House. Second prize goes to Diya Atal of Shivalik House. Lower 5B. First prize goes to Sukhmehar Singh Jhakar of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Nakul Garg of Himalaya House. Lower 5C. First prize goes to Skant Mongia of Vindhya House. Second prize goes to Mahima Kashyap of Himalaya House. Lower 5D. First prize goes to Ravinandani Singh Chauhan of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Iknoor Kaur of Himalaya House. Upper 5A. First prize goes to Vyom Dhawan of Vindhya House. Second prize goes to Daksh Chopra of Shivalik House. Upper 5B. First prize goes to Kirti Jindal of Himalaya House. Second prize goes to Sanvi Khurana of Shivalik House. Upper 5C. First prize goes to Navya Garg of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Mrigna Goyal of Shivalik House. Upper 5D. First prize goes to Rishita Singh of Vindhya House. Second prize goes to Krish Mahajan of Nilgiri House. Lower 6A. First prize goes to Simar Singh Gabadia of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Kehkasha Sehgal of Nilgiri House. Lower 6B. First prize goes to Abhiraj Bhatia of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Shravan Bhatia of Himalaya House. Lower 6C. First prize goes to Hashangat Singh of Himalaya House. Second prize goes to Samarth Kharbanda of Himalaya House. Lower 6D. First prize goes to Himanshu Sabharwal of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Puru Manjare of Vindhya House. Upper 6A. First prize goes to Ananya Kohli of Himalaya House. Second prize goes to Pavit Sidhu of Shivalik House. Upper 6B. First prize goes to Zorawar Ubroy of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Saket Mehra of Vindhya House. Upper 6C. First prize goes to Isha Malhotra of Shivalik House. Second prize goes to Avanti Agarwal of Nilgiri House. Upper 6D. First prize goes to Sirat Sandhu of Nilgiri House. Second prize goes to Priyam Gupta of Vindhya House.
Special prizes. Special prizes are awarded to the students performing the best either in any particular academic subject or in any hobby or co-curricular event during the entire academic year. These prizes are awarded by selecting one child from all the sections of a particular class excelling in the academic subject or hobby. The special prizes for the academic year 2020 are as follows. Durand Prize for English Literature goes to Ananya Kohli of Himalaya House. Special prizes for English are as follows. Ayan Gautam of Nilgiri House. Arjun Chopra of Shivalik House. Chakshu Bharadwaj of Shivalik House. Sirat Dua of Shivalik House. Veer Devgan of Himalaya House. Mrigna Goyal of Shivalik House. Simar Singh Gabadia of Nilgiri House. And Isha Malhotra of Shivalik House. Special prizes for Hindi are as follows. Srishti Priya of Nilgiri House, Arjun Chopra of Shiolek House, Sara Mehta of Nilgiri House, Aradhya Narula of Nilgiri House, Sirat Dua of Shiolek House, Nakul Garg of Himalaya House, and Nandini Jain of Vindhya House. Special prizes for Punjabi go to Umed Singh of Nilgiri House and Hunardeep Esran for Himalaya House. Special prizes for Sanskrit go to Viraj Gupta of Vindhya House and Harsh Kumar of Vindhya House. Special prizes for French go to Shriyan Khemka of Nilgiri House and Agam Sindhiman of Vindhya House. Aurora Prize for Mathematics for class 10th are as follows: Vyom Dhawan of Vindhya House, Kirti Jindal of Himalaya House, and Nandini Jain of Vindhya House. Srimati Neera Baid Prize for General Science of class 10th goes to Kirti Jindal of Himalaya House. Vartak Prize for Mathematics for best marks in lower 4 and upper 4 goes to Chakshu Bharadwaj of Shiolek House and Vivan Tuteja of Vindhya House. Special prizes for mathematics are as follows: Arav Maini of Himalaya House, Abhya Atal of Shiolek House, Ayan Gautam of Nilgiri House, Arjun Chopra of Shiolek House, Chakshu Bharadwaj of Shiolek House, Vivan Tuteja of Vindhya House, Daksh Garewal of Shiolek House, Sukhmeer Singh Jakar of Nilgiri House, Vyom Dhawan of Vindhya House, Kirti Jindal of Himalaya House, Nandini Jain of Vindhya House, and Samarth Kharbanda of Himalaya House. Special prizes for physics are as follows: Sukhmeer Singh Jakar of Nilgiri House, Kirti Jindal of Himalaya House, and Puru Manjre of Vindhya House. Special prizes for chemistry are as follows: Sukhmeer Singh Jakar of Nilgiri House, Navya Garg of Shiolek House, Mrighna Goyal of Shiolek House, and Himanshu Sabharwal of Shiolek House. Special prizes for biology are as follows: Sukhmeer Singh Jakar of Nilgiri House, Sanvi Khurana of Shiolek House, and Puru Manjre of Vindhya House. Special prizes for general science are as follows: Ayan Gautam of Nilgiri House, Arjun Chopra of Shiolek House, Bikramjit Singh Randhawa of Nilgiri House, Shriyan Khemka of Nilgiri House, and Agam Sindhiman of Vindhya House. Special prize for economics goes to Simar Singh Gabadia of Nilgiri House. Special prize for accountancy goes to Harshangat Singh of Himalaya House. Special prize for business studies goes to Samarth Kharbanda of Himalaya House. Special prize for entrepreneurship goes to Khaikisha Saigal of Nilgiri House. The Sir Henry Lawrence Prize for History goes to Ananya Kohli of Himalaya House. The special prize for history goes to Simar Singh Gabadia of Nilgiri House. The special prize for geography goes to Manik Ahluwalia of Shiolek House. The Hodgson Horse prizes for social studies are as follows: Nakul Garg of Himalaya House, Sohana Jishtu of Himalaya House, Kirti Jindal of Himalaya House. Special prize for political science goes to Simar Singh Gabadia of Nilgiri House. The GC Arora Prize for Political Science goes to Irmin Tawana of Himalaya House. Special prize for psychology goes to Abhiraj Bhatia of Shiolek House. Special prize for physical education goes to Aryan Butel of Himalaya House. The special prizes for social science are as follows. Srishti Priya of Nilgiri House, Arjun Chopra of Shivalik House, Viraj Gupta of Vindhya House, and Siddhak Sangera of Nilgiri House. Special prize for painting as subject goes to Harshita Verma of Shivalik House, and special prize for sculpture as subject goes to Simranjeet Singh of Himalaya House. Special prize for informatics practices goes to Simrina Luna of Shivalik House. The special prize for computer science goes to Himanshu Sabharwal of Shivalik House. Special prize for multimedia and animation goes to Aditya Gupta of Vindhya House. Special prizes for computers are as follows. Amaira Bansal of Shivalik House, Abhya Atal of Shivalik House, Shrishti Priya of Nilgiri House, Ayan Gautam of Nilgiri House, Arjun Chopra of Shivalik House, Vikramjit S. Randhawa of Nilgiri House, Shriyan Khemka of Nilgiri House, Kirat Sandhu of Nilgiri House, Chakshu Bharadwaj of Shivalik House, Aradhya Narula of Nilgiri House, Sanvi Kochar of Vindhya House, Harsh Kumar of Vindhya House, and Diya Atal of Shivalik House. Special prizes for art as hobby go to Shrishti Priya of Shivalik House, Kirat Clare of Vindhya House, Ashika Dagar of Vindhya House, Aditya Singh Samyal of Himalaya House, Arnav Bansal of Shivalik House, and Adil Sharda of Nilgiri House. Special prizes for Indian music are as follows. Arjun Chopra of Shivalik House, Harshit Gautam of Nilgiri House, Arikta Acharya of Nilgiri House, Advik Basu Roy of Shivalik House, Bhavya Bhatt of Vindhya House, Arsh Sharma of Vindhya House. Special prizes for Indian dance are as follows. Barkha of Himalaya House, Sia Mittal of Nilgiri House, and Simranjeet Singh of Himalaya House. Special prizes for band are as follows. Arjun Singh Baweja of Shivalik House, Utkarsh Verma of Shivalik House, and Jai Singh Chima of Himalaya House. Special prizes for woodcraft are as follows. Arav Maini of Himalaya House, Tunir Tanwar of Vindhya House, and Shravan Nayak of Himalaya House. Special prizes for bamboo craft are as follows. Aditya Kumar of Shivalik House, and Navdeep Sangwan of Vindhya House. Special prize for acrylic work goes to Sanvi Kochar of Vindhya House. Special prizes for fashion design are as follows. Krisha Arora of Nilgiri House, and Agrima Gupta of Vindhya House.
Special prize for photography goes to Yestin Yogeshwar of Vindhya House. Special prize for social work goes to Aryaman Singh Kohli of Nilgiri House. Special prizes for sculpture as hobby go to Daksh Chaudhary of Vindhya House, Abhinav Kumar of Shivalik House, Ayan Gautam of Nilgiri House, Special prize for joy of science as hobby goes to Jai Mukund Bhan of Himalaya House. Special prizes for cub reporting go to Sakshi Gupta of Vindhya House and Himani Thakur of Shivalik House. Special prize for the best Hindi debater goes to Yakshita Bansal of Shivalik House. Special prize for the best English debater goes to Isha Malhotra of Shivalik House. Special prize for the best MUNer goes to Nachal Gill of Nilgiri House. The Henry Lawrence Prize for Head Boy goes to Aryaman Singh Kohli of Nilgiri House. The Honoria Lawrence Prize for Head Girl goes to Pavit Sidhu of Shivalik House. Any child on scoring 90% or above aggregate in any unit test gets 1 academic point. Similarly, for securing 90% or above in half-yearly or final examination, 2 academic points are awarded. This way, a child can score a maximum of 24 academic points, being 6 points per year in 4 years, including class 7, 8, 9, and 10. As soon as a child gets 15 such academic points, he or she becomes eligible for the Scholars' Die. Recipients of the Scholars' Die for 2020 are as follows. Arnav Thapa of Vindhya House, Arushi Bhatia of Himalaya House, Diya Atal of Shivalik House, Jai Mukund Bhan of Himalaya House, Jayant Sharma of Shivalik House, Nakul Garg of Himalaya House, Pranav Kapoor of Himalaya House, Skand Mongia of Vindhya House, Sukhmehar Singh Jhakar of Nilgiri House, Devisha Jain of Nilgiri House, Ustad Kaur Jatana of Vindhya House, and Rishita Singh of Vindhya House. Cups and trophies for 2020 are as follows. Yograj Palta Memorial Trophy for Art goes to Adrika Sood of Vindhya House. Study Cup PD goes to Nilgiri House. Study Cup GD goes to Nilgiri House. And Study Cup BD goes to Vindhya House. Vindhya House. With this, we conclude with the annual prize giving 2020-21. Thank you for your patience.
Please rise for the national anthem.